You open a tab, mumble a scene in your head, and Seedance 2 turns it into AI storytelling that actually moves.
Don't do it! It's dangerous!
I told you it's fine, but you're always scared.
Visuals remain consistent, shots stay in the same universe, and a rough thought becomes something watchable in just minutes. Today, Mila is walking you through it.
Don't go in! It's scary! It's dark! What if there's a monster inside?
What?
See? I told you there's a monster here!
Calm down. It's injured. We need to help. Stay here. I'll bandage your wounds.
Can't breathe!
Hi guys, I'm Mila, and this is Oreo. Today, we're gonna have a tutorial filled with lots of cool tips. Here's the lama.art home screen. You've got all your tools and models in one place. Just use this page or the sidebar to navigate through everything. All the presets, showcases, and transitions are at your disposal. You can use them as they are or reinvent them to match your vision. There's a decent range of models and tools here. First up, image generation. I'm dying to try out the Storyboard feature in the new GPT Image 2. You guys know it just came out, and it's actually a really, really good model. As I said, these presets are all yours to use, maybe as a starting point for your ideas. In the Generation tab, you've also got the option to use images for references or transfers. From there, just set your dimensions, quality, and the specific model you want. To start the storyboard, I'm uploading my character references, entering the prompt, and adjusting the settings. Here's a quick tip. Since my characters have a unique look, the proportions might be a bit off. To fix that, I'll upload a reference image showing both of them side by side so the AI can figure out the scale correctly. Just remember, AI still has its hit or miss moments. We're just here to give you the right tricks so you can walk away with the best possible outcome. So, despite using a reference, the AI didn't quite get the size right. It's a little overscaled. Luckily, it's a quick fix in the Edit Image section. Yeah, the AI tripped up a bit, but it was a quick fix. I deliberately picked these weird characters with totally different sizes to prove one thing. Seedance 2 is actually great at keeping your characters consistent throughout the video. Looking great, right? Now let's hit Use as Reference to start the video. Quick tip though, don't use Animate Image for storyboards. That tool is actually designed for single, simple photos, not for a full storyboard like this. All right, let's write a great prompt for Seedance 2. Everyone's talking about this model right now because it's incredible, but it works best when the prompt is detailed. I've actually shared all my prompts in the description below, so feel free to grab them as a template for your own storyboards. After uploading your characters with the storyboard, here's a crucial tip. Use the @ sign to mention all your characters in the prompt. It's the best way to keep everything precise. Definitely a small detail you don't want to overlook. Now that the settings are all locked in, we're good to go. Let's hit it and start the generation.
Don't do it! It's dangerous!
I told you it's fine, but you're always scared.
Not feeling the result? No worries, just recreate or edit it. If it looks good, you can extend it further or keep using it as a reference. I've generated a couple more clips just like before, but let's test the first frame option this time. I'll upload my starting image, put in a dedicated first frame to last frame prompt for the Seedance 2 model, and dial in the settings. By the way, Seedance 2 Fast is also really solid. You should definitely check it out and give it a go.
See? I told you there's a monster
calm down. It's injured. We need to help it.
Besides great character consistency, you can create stories fast. The real game changer with Seedance 2 is the 15-second generation time. Doing it all in one shot means better coordination throughout the video and much faster results. Let's use another feature here to make a fun dance clip. I'm uploading the image and the dance video now. The maximum upload length is 10 seconds, and we'll get a 5-second result. Let's hit start and see how it turns out. Need sound? Just switch over to the Pro model and turn on the audio button. Okay, this little guy looks a bit crushed right here. Let's change his spot. I'll just jump into video edit and tell the AI to either take him out or move him to a sitting position. I ended up choosing to recreate rather than edit. Here's the trick. A new generation is only 42 credits, but an edit is 84. Work smarter, not harder. You get a better outcome for half the price. Just a final heads up, always check the credit cost before you hit that button. Looking good, right? Now that we've tackled the technical side, it's time to sit back and enjoy some of these amazing showcases. Here's the deal. Stop wasting money on different subs. Llama.art gives you everything in one spot. At $9.99 a month, you've got a full studio to turn your vision into reality fast and easy. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye. Bye.